Hi everyone, my name is David, and today I'm gonna take you through the process that I do when I draw or paint anything. Today we're gonna be reviewing one of my older paintings of J.C. Leyendeckers' Arrow Color Man reading a book. I will not add the reference in the video, but you just can Google it. Maybe you would like to do the same after you watch the video, which I highly encourage you to do, because Leyendecker was amazing artist. He had beautiful style, and this style is what I tried to copy in this study of his painting. It's gonna be a video that I recorded like 2 years ago or something. The original process took about 1.5 hours. I shrink the video down to 4.5 minutes so that it won't be that boring. So let's begin. So as you can see, the first thing I do is the structure. I'm trying to understand where on the canvas the head is going to sit. Right after I understood the structure, I begin with the definition of the face features. So where the eyebrows are gonna be, where the nose is gonna be, the mouth, the ears. I already started doing some shadow mapping here, but right now it's just the basic shapes and basic placement of these shapes on the page, right? So some more definition of the hair, where it's gonna be some cheekbones, and now some base colors, and I try to mix them as I go. So nothing special, right? Where the shadow goes, so darker colors, where the light hits lighter colors, and now I'm just trying to get the colors right. As you can see, I don't use the color picking. I just try to pick it with the eye. And what you just saw, I changed the outline from black to brown, actually to mix it better, because black color mixes really hard. So if you make a warm color palette painting, so just make sure the outline is supportive of the color, of the general scheme of the color. Right, some more definitions, color blendings, and I try to keep the Leyendecker style with the brush strokes that you can see through the painting. So the blending is not completely smooth. The transitions are visible, and this is also what the thing that I found beautiful in Leyendecker's works, that the strokes are really visible. Some more definitions of the chin, of the lips, the construction of the ear, and the bounce line that comes on his bottom side of the face. Now I added some background so that the color of the face will stand against something dark, like in the reference image that I used. Some additional volume to color, like warmer cheeks to give it more warmth and life, bring it a little bit to life. And what you see now is that I zoomed out and I kept the brush strokes relatively big for this size of canvas, because what I try to do now is just understand the colors and how they mix and how they sit together on the page, and where the highlights go and where the more shadow areas go, and how it all looks when you squint your eyes. Some more definition to the ears and the hair, to the light and the darks areas, and of course this Leyendecker's style of brush strokes across the painting. So here it was pretty much done. As you can see, I didn't even zoom in at the end, just so that I can still evaluate it in some way. And here I was pretty much satisfied of how it turned out. For me, the study was over. I extracted everything that I wanted from it. And this is also what I encourage you to do. Explore. Do stuff that is out of your comfort zone. Do studies of paintings that maybe you think are hard. Don't focus on the overall painting, just focus on one particular piece of it. You don't have to be perfect at anything, but you do have to keep pushing yourself and keep growing. And this is what is most important, the growth of you as an artist. So hopefully it was insightful for you. If so, please let me know in the comment section below. And until the next time, bye bye.